Hi, today I'll be reviewing Monster High's Operetta doll. She is one of the roller maze dolls that Mattel makes. On the back of the box you can see the other dolls that you can purchase. Operetta is really pretty. I like her eyeshadow and her hair is really unique. Her face and her arm have painted music notes on them. Operetta is supposed to be the daughter of Phantom of the Opera. I really like these dolls because they pose very well. Operetta's dress is really neat too. It has records on it. This doll includes a helmet for Operetta when she goes rollerblading. Operetta has her knee pads on and let's put her roller skates on so she can show you how to roller skate. These roller skates really work. I think Operetta the doll really needs some practice though. She's not really good at roller skating yet. I'm not a good roller skater either, so who can blame her? Let's have her try this out some more. Whoops! Try that again. Okay, you're doing better. Come on, there you go. I really like this Monster High doll. I highly recommend it and rate it a 5 out of 5. Please click on the screen now to watch my Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs review. Thank you.